Dubai. Dubai is a futuristic and exciting city located in the United Arab Emirates. This megacity is known for its continual drive to break records and create awe-inspiring attractions. Dubai is also the most record-breaking city in the world. The United Arab Emirates is presently home to 425 Guinness World Records titles, while Dubai currently holds more than 339 world records, from the world's fastest police car to the tallest building in the world, and more in between. Here are some most impressive world records broken by Dubai that we think are quite exceptional. In this video, we are going to show you 22 incredible world record breaking attractions. Make sure to watch until the last 2 world records because these are the most unbelievable Guinness World Records. Let's start with the most astounding and obvious in Dubai. Most expensive police force in the world, from Lamborghini to Audi R8. And their most expensive vehicle is the Bugatti Veyron, which is worth over $2 million. For its use of the Bugatti Veyron, Dubai's police force was awarded the world's fastest police car in April 2016. This Bugatti police cruiser can reach an implausible top speed of 407 km per hour and has a 16-cylinder engine producing a staggering 1000 horsepower. And the Bugatti Veyron is not the only luxury vehicle in the Dubai police fleet. Others include Ferrari FF, Bentley Continental GT, Aston Martin, BMW i8, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche Panamera, Lamborghini Aventador and McLaren. Next one is the world's highest tennis court, standing atop the 4th highest and the only 7 stars hotel in the world, Burj Al Arab. The tennis court is circular in shape and also doubles as a helipad. In preparation for the Dubai Duty Free Men's Open on February 22, 2005, the Burj Al Arab hosted Andre Agassi and Roger Federer to play a match on their helipad tennis court before heading to the $1 million championship. The Dubai Metro is the world's longest driverless rail system and one of the most advanced metro networks. Dubai Metro is a 74.6 km mass rapid transit system with the 47 stations and 2 lines, red and green, makes for the longest driverless metro system in the world. The Dubai Metro runs the length of Sheikh Zayed Road through the heart of the city's most popular attractions, which makes for residents and visitors a simple and quick way to travel around Dubai. Dubai is famous for its soaring skyline, and that is not only the feat of engineering to capture the world's imagination. World's largest man-made island, the Palm Jumeirah. It was built from reclaimed land in a series of artificial archipelagos, where sand and rock were used to extend the coastline into the Persian Gulf. The construction of Palm Jumeirah began in 2001 and was completed in 2006. Shaped like a palm tree and visible also from space. One of the latest iconic Dubai attractions is Hatta, perched atop the Hajar Mountains. The world's tallest landmark sign, Hatta, a towering 19.28-meter structure, has swiftly become a symbol of Hatta and its status as one of the UAE's most picturesque regions. Dubai's Hatta sign is mashed its way into the Guinness World Record book in September 2023. Next one is an incredible project. The X-Line Dubai is the longest and fastest urban zipline around the globe, straddling Dubai Marina, measuring 1 km in length up to 170 meter in height and speeds of up to 80 km per hour. Now let's go to the gold world record. Dubai is also called the City of Gold. The world's largest gold ring name is the Najmat Taiba or Star of Taiba, also known as the Taiba Gold Ring. This enormous ring is made of 64 kilograms of pure gold and has been crafted with crystal detailing in Dera's gold souk. It's studded with 5.1 kilograms of precious stones and also has 615 Swarovski stones. The unique golden ring was made in year 2000 and has been valued at $3 million. Gevora Hotel is the tallest hotel in the world, a 4-star hotel situated on Sheikh Zayed Road. It measures 356 meters and has 75 stories. It contains 528 rooms along with the 3 fine dining restaurants. They also have a wellness club for their guests. Gevora Hotel beat the record of the JW Marriott Marquis Hotel to become the tallest hotel in the world. The former hotel is also present in Dubai. Now another unbelievable project, Deep Dive Dubai. It's the deepest swimming pool in the world and opened in 2021. The world's deepest swimming pool reaches an immersive depth of 60 meters and contains 14 million liters of fresh water. The attraction mimics a sunken city featuring submerged cars and rooms in an immersive experience for divers of all levels. This is one of the coolest Dubai world records we bet you didn't know about. World's largest vertical maze. This skyscraper has 57 floors and is called Maze Tower, located on Sheikh Zayed Road, completed in January 2012. The world records in Dubai are unmatched. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo achieved the Guinness World Records of having the largest OLED screen on display measuring 709 square meters. They use LG screens and also set 2 other Guinness World Records for the highest resolution video wall and largest high definition video wall. The OLED screen is above the Dubai Aquarium's main tank and can be viewed from the 3rd floor of the iconic Dubai Mall. Dubai is also known for their love for gold. This stunning chain of 22 karat gold was recorded to be 5 kilometers and 240 kilograms. The chain was designed to commemorate the 20th Dubai Shopping Festival. The Palm Fountain is the world's largest seawater musical fountain, situated in the seawaters between Atlantis the Palm and the Point. The Point's most popular attraction, constituting 2 giant floating platforms covering 14,000 square feet of seawater, towering at 105 meters. The fountain is also the city's only multicolored one. And Dubai is the world's biggest observation wheel, reaching a staggering height of 250 meters, the record-breaking structure offering unique views of Dubai's iconic landmarks from 48 air-conditioned cabins, and it's higher than London Eye and Las Vegas Higher Roller. A flower garden in desert? Seems hard to believe. The Dubai Miracle Garden is one of the largest flower gardens in the world. Here more than 65 million natural flowers and arranged into impressive displays including Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, horses, elephants, aeroplanes and more. There is also the world's largest butterfly garden featuring 15,000 butterflies of around 26 kinds. The largest inflatable aqua park in the world, Aquafun, located at JBR Beach in Dubai, set the world record for the largest inflatable aqua park. It measures 42,200 square meters. It contains over 72 obstacles 25 meters out at the sea and is open year round. Here is an artsy addition to the Dubai World Records list you didn't know about. Stands at 2.25 km long as the collaborative hard work and talented artists from the UAE and all around the world. Created a graffiti art in Dubai, spraying depictions of Arabian animals, the UAE's iconic landmarks, and Arabian calligraphy to complete the record-breaking feat. It's situated near Jumeirah Beach Park. World largest inflatable bouncy castle, Jump X at Riverland. One of the attraction's 3 theme parks spans 1,262 square meters. It opened in February 2023 and set a new Guinness World Record for the largest inflatable bouncy castle in the world. One of Dubai's iconic attractions, the Dubai Frame at Zabeel Park, holds the Guinness World Record for the largest picture frame ever. At 150 meters tall and 93 meters wide, this spectacular spot gives the view of the old and new Dubai. A 25 square meters glass panel bridge that makes it feel like you are walking on air, and a gallery showcasing Dubai's past and predicting its future. Now let's jump to the largest man-made structure in the world, Burj Khalifa. It took 5 years to build it and was unveiled and opened to the public in 2010. Standing at an incredible 828 meters height and 163 floors, Burj Khalifa is a mixed building with residential, offices and hotels. Aside from holding the world record for being the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa also holds 6 other Guinness World Records. The highest launch in the world, levels 152 and 154. World fastest and longest travel distance elevators. World's highest restaurant on level 122. World largest LED illuminated facade. World's highest new air display of fireworks. World's highest outdoor observation deck. Another new world record that you probably didn't know about, the world's highest 360 infinity pool at Dress Beach Resort, Dubai, where sky and water meet, boasting spectacular views across the Dubai skyline and perched 210 meters above the sea level. It's the most quintessential Dubai world record ever. Dubai has the tallest skyline in the world and has more buildings over 300 meters in height, taller than anywhere else in the world. There are, as of 2023, 28 buildings in Dubai that stand at this lofty height, surpassing even Chinese megacities, Shanghai and Hong Kong. With an addition, this year over 300 meters, 12 buildings are under construction. Thank you for sticking with us until the end of our video. Guys, see you soon in my next informative and amazing video. Until then, take care and be safe.